Have you ever had this issue? You've captured a lovely moment on your camera, but there's a very unfortunate photobomb in the background. Here's how you fix it. Open Photoshop and create a new file. Make sure that the artboard is the right size for your image, and hit create. Next, import your image by either copying and pasting or dragging and dropping. In Adobe Photoshop 2024, they've released a new AI feature called Generative Fill. To use this, we need to go to the top left and select the rectangular marquee tool. Now highlight the area that needs fixing, making sure to cover all shadows and reflections. We can now click on the Generative Fill box and type remove the dog. If it's a person, you can type remove the people, or you can type remove the litter from the floor. It can be anything like that, and hit generate. After waiting a few seconds, you can see that the AI has actually filled in the image on its own and removed the dog. If you're not happy with the first result that comes out, it gives you 3 different versions that you can try out. I think this one's my favorite. Hopefully this has helped you with any images you might need to fix in the future. Be sure to follow for some more tips, and we'll see you in the next video.